Welcome back to another video here with Eric Ray. So I haven't posted in a while, but a video to make here. I'll be putting on the little weather strip that goes around the window and the door panel to keep like the water to drip into the door. So I'll show you real quick. Just basically these right here. I'm gonna be swapping the inner and outer one since they're already kind of like cracking and all that stuff. So basically what you do is there's this one right here, there's 2 screws right there, and then there's 2 screws right there. After that, we're going to take this little door panel tool and just pop out all the corners, pull this one out, and then we're going to get to this one right here. Alright, so I kind of fast forward here. Basically, you're going to take this stop right here. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. Take it out, slide it out through here, get your hand on top. And then we're going to take out one right there, one right there. That one, that one. Right now I have to get to that one. And then this whole thing should come off. And then you'll be able to separate this from the molding. You'll be able to separate that like that. And then, yeah. So once you do that, if you got your battery disconnected, put this thing back on, lower your window down. It'll go all the way down. You'll be able to access to your screws. And then, yep, you'll be able to get to it. Alright, so now that we got the new seal on there, all you're going to want to do is put the screws back in there, line it up. Once it lines up, make sure it closes, everything's good. And then put the screws back in there. And then after you get the screws on there, then we're going to do the next piece, the inner one. So I'm going to get these on there and then do the other one. Alright guys, so now I'm doing the inner piece, the one that goes here. So this is what we got. So I just been there's these little staples right here. They won't come off. So one thing you could use is a grinder, which I don't have. So my alternative is just using this one, poking out the staple with this little flathead screwdriver, and then using this one. Once I get it like 3/4 of the way, I'm just using my pliers right here and then just straightening it out like that. So that way it could just come straight up like that. So I gotta do that for the rest of them. There's one here, one there, and then I'll get it off. And then once we get our new one on here, I have to pull it back, drill, and then just screw it on. So yeah. Alrighty, so now this is the old one. As you can see, all the staples, I got them mostly flat and then just pried it out with the screwdriver. So now we got our new inner one. So all you want to do is just kind of line it up as best you can like that. And then same on this side. And then basically what I'm gonna do here is just kind of fold this back. Once I kind of fold this back, I'm just gonna drill maybe like 4 holes, one here, one here, one there, and then one at the end. And then I'm just gonna screw them in, and then it shouldn't touch anything. On the inside, I would just use super short screws, because then it is gonna have to go over the thing on this side. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, drilling with 7/64 bit. All right, just to show you guys real quick, here's a little short screw right there. I did end up going a size bit bigger, an 1/8 inch hole, so that way that screw could fit. So there's that one, and then I would just put 4, spread them out, do the 2 corner ones so it stays, and then do the 2 middle ones, and then just make sure it's on there good. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. I got everything on there. I just went ahead and threw this one on since it was pretty simple, but just put the screws back there, did a couple, and then got it in. And then this is what it looks like. Alrighty guys, I just have some cleaning up to do, and then I still have to do that other side as you guys see, but here it is with the window up and everything. This one right here is from Classic Industries. As you can see, it kind of doesn't fit too well there. Maybe in the summer with some heat or something, it'll eventually go back. But there's that one, and then there's the inner one. So there it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll probably be making more here and there, who knows. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And just gave you a little bit of tips here and there. Basically the same way you take off the door panels, the same way you put it on. You want to put the top in first, and then, you want to put the bottom in first and then the top. I just had the top on just to make sure the window goes up and down and all that, with the pressure against it. But then I took it back off. But hopefully you guys just enjoyed today's video. Other than that, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Peace.